Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Fiesta. In this video we'll check if this car is worth buying in 2026. The Ford Fiesta 8 is still very good used small car thanks to its excellent handling, low running cost and wide availability of inexpensive parts. The naturally aspired 1.25 petrol is particularly attractive for buyers who prioritize simplicity and reliability, while the 1.0 EcoBoost offers better performance and economy but requires much more careful maintenance. For city driving and as first car, the Fiesta remains one of the strongest choices in its class. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.